Very good morning, everybody. Uh, we are going to conduct this class, but before that, rest of the student please join and we will start the class. So we will wait for 2 minutes before the start of the class. Hope my sound is audible to everybody. Everybody here could hear my sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will start after 2 minutes. Okay, so we have waited for 2 minutes. So let us start the class and start the proceedings. Last year, we have talked about different types of antenna basics, parameters, and their properties. And in that, uh, we have described different types of antennas, parameters, and all that thing. In that, we have discussed about circuit parameters, phase parameters, physical parameters, transition parameters. We told that antenna has the purpose, it has a dual purpose. One is called the transmitting, another is called receiving. Then we talk that there are different types of aspects of antenna, and it is very much important for our wireless communication. Next, we told that due to a wireless communication is a recent trend and it is a developing trend. That's why, according to the specification, like satellite, mobile, etc., the antenna has been designed. So antenna is designed as application specified. But irrespective of specification like frequency, directivity, bandwidth, etc., antenna works on basic principles that are signal released from the source has to be time variant, and it has also be phase reversible technique. Next, we talked about what is time variant and time invariant. Same thing for the phase reversible. Then we talk about different types of antennas parameters. Some antennas basic parameters, some antennas other parameters. And we discuss about the different types of antennas parameters. Could you tell me some of the parameters antenna is been dependent on? Last time we have taught different types of antenna parameters. Can you tell me? Anybody? Nobody could tell me.
Sir, impedance matching.
Yes, that is important. There are some basic parameters we told, and the basic parameters are frequency, wavelength, impedance matching, VSWR, or reflected power, bandwidth, radiation intensity. Next, we discuss about some antenna parameters also. These are basic parameters. These are other parameters like directivity, gain, resolution, patterns, antenna beam array, antenna beam efficiency, antenna efficiency, like this. So I think last day what we have studied, I have recapitulated to you. Now today we will start with our new proceedings. Today we will discuss about the antenna parameters, antenna basic parameters and antenna parameters. Okay, so let's start the class. So antenna parameters, let us write the antenna parameters again. I am not talking about basic parameters, I am talking about antenna parameters. Okay. So number A is directivity. Number B is gain. Number C is resolution. Number D is patterns. Number E is antenna beam area. Number F is antenna beam efficiency. Number G is antenna efficiency. So these are the antenna parameters, sorry. So now we will describe or we will elaborate on these antenna parameters. First, our is directivity. So number A is directivity. So what is directivity? Directivity is defined as the ratio of maximum radiation intensity of the subject antenna to the radiation intensity of an isotropic or reference antenna radiating the same total. Okay, understand? Understand or not understand? So what is directivity? Directivity is represented as D. And what is the directivity definition? Definition is that it is defined as the ratio of maximum radiation intensity of the subject antenna to the radiation intensity of an isotropic of an isotropic reference antenna isotropic antenna can be also told as reference antenna. So or reference antenna radiating the same total. Radiating the same. So what I can write? D equals to maximum radiation intensity of subject or test antenna by radiation intensity of an isotropic antenna. Of an isotropic or reference antenna. That is also written as phi of 4.5 max, that is for test antenna, by phi of 0, that is for isotropic antenna. Tropic or reference antenna. In case of total radiated power, the directivity is defined as directivity is defined as D equals to power radiated from test antenna by power radiated from an isotropic antenna. Okay, clear everybody? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is clear up to everybody. There is something which is not clear to you, but you are not asking. I don't know why you are not asking. Like there are some terms, radiation intensity, what do you mean by that? Isotropic antenna, what do you mean by that? So you are not asking these questions. So if you don't ask questions, then I can also skip the questions. But I will tell you what are that. First, let us see what is directivity, then I will tell you. So another, or we can write, means another equation for directivity we can get. The directivity D is defined as the ratio of G equals to maximum radiation intensity of the test antenna by average radiation intensity of the test antenna. Here we are not using isotropic antenna or reference antenna. So that can be represented as 0, 5, max by average. That is equals to max by WR 4 pi. That is equals to 4 pi max by WR. That is equals to 4 pi into maximum radiation intensity by WR is total radiated power. So this is the another equation or another step definition for directivity. Now there is questions. Different types of questions coming into the mind. What is directivity? Means, what is radiation intensity? That is the first question that will come into the mind. What is radiation intensity? And what is the expression of radiation intensity? Radiation intensity is defined as the power per unit solid angle. What does it mean? Radiation emitted from the antenna, which is more intense in particular direction, indicates the maximum intensity of the antenna. The emission of radiation to a maximum possible level is nothing but the radiation intensity. Understand very carefully what I am telling. Radiation intensity actually it is defined as the power unit solid angle. Now, what is radiation intensity? I am just briefing you. Radiation emitted from an antenna, which is more intense in a particular direction, indicates the maximum intensity of that antenna. The emission of radiation to a maximum possible of extent is nothing but the radiation intensity. समझ गए? रेडिएशन जो एमिट होता है एंटेना से वो एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन के लिए इंटेंस होता है, तो उसी को हम लोग पकड़ते हैं और उसी को हम लोग समझते हैं कि वही उस एंटेना का मैक्सिमम इंटेंसिटी। देखिए एंटेना में इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव निशारित होता है, तो अगर वो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव निशारित होता है तो मतलब उसका एक रेडिएशन होगा, जिसलिए आप लोग सुनते हैं या आप लोग खबर में पढ़ा है कि ज्यादा मोबाइल टावर होने से एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, जैसे कि आपका वो परिंदा का प्रॉब्लम होता है, परिंदा अपना स्थान कम्युनिकेट नहीं करता क्योंकि मोबाइल टावर में इतना ज्यादा रेडिएशन होता है जो परिंदा को अपना घर भुला देता है या इसका पता भुला देता है। तो ये क्या होता है, एक रेडिएशन होता है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन पल्स। हम लोग सुनते नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोगों का जो सुनाई देने का क्षमता है, या हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव को देखने के जो क्षमता है वो हमारा क्षमता से बहुत ऊपर है या बहुत नीचे। हम लोग जानते हैं हमारा जो दृष्टि है या हमारा जो श्रवण क्षमता है वो एक तरह से एक जगह पे बांध है, उसके ज्यादा और उसके कम हम लोग सुनते नहीं है और देखते नहीं। पर रेडिएशन होता है, इसका इफेक्ट आप किसी को आप देख सकते हैं कि कुछ कुछ प्लांट पे भी होता है, उसका इफेक्ट, रेडिएशन का इफेक्ट। हम लोग बोलते हैं रेडिएशन के इफेक्ट की वजह से ऐसा होता है। कुछ कुछ आप परिंदे के लिए सबसे ज्यादा परिंदा इफेक्टेड होता है रेडिएशन के लिए। तो ये तो दूसरी बात है कि पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, एनवायरमेंट जा रहा है, पर हमारा तो उससे बात नहीं है, हमारा बात है एंटेना। तो एंटेना में जो रेडिएशन इंटेंसिटी उसको हमको पकड़ना है, मतलब कितना इंटेंसिटी, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द रेडिएशन पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे तो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। अगर ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी हो जाएगा तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हमारा जो नियामक संस्था है वो उसका इंटेंसिटी कमाने के लिए बोलता है। तो रेडिएशन इंटेंसिटी आप समझ सकते हैं, जितना ज्यादा रेडिएशन इंटेंसिटी बढ़ेगा उतना ज्यादा आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत अच्छा होगा, पर वो तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, एनवायरमेंट पोल्यूटेड होता है। इसीलिए रेडिएशन इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द एंटेना हम लोगों को कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है, और ये मुख्य पैरामीटर है जो एक एंटेना के लिए बना हुआ है। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग जो रेडिएशन इमिटेड होगा एक एंटेना से, जो पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में मोर इंटेंस होगा, मतलब चार ही ओर से रेडिएशन निसर्गित होगा, 360 डिग्री एंगल में रेडिएशन निसर्गित होगा, ये तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं। पर पर्टिकुलर एक डायरेक्शन में उसका इंटेंसिटी ज्यादा होगा, तो हम उसको पकड़ेंगे, उसी को हम बोलेंगे कि उस एंटेना का सॉरी मैक्सिमम इंटेंसिटी, और द एमिशन ऑफ द रेडिएशन उस मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एक्सटेंट पे, उसी को हम लोग कहते हैं रेडिएशन इंटेंसिटी। समझे? अभी भी किसी को अगर सवाल है तो पूछ सकते हैं, क्योंकि वरना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। हेलो
सर आप सॉलिड एंड सर
हाँ बोलिए।
बोले सर आप सॉलिड एंगल बोल रहे थे, तो यहाँ पे सॉलिड एंगल क्या होगा?
आपने वेक्टर कैलकुलस नहीं पढ़ा?
हाँ ये सर वो साइन थीटा।
तो वेक्टर
ओके सर
कैलकुलस
समझ गए उस।
उसमें सॉलिड एंगल है, फिर भी एक बार आपका प्रॉब्लम है,
हाँ
मैं एक बार बोल देता हूँ, ठीक है? वो बोल रहा है
ये सर साइन थीटा, सर साइन थीटा डी फाई इसी को बोलेंगे ना?
यस यस, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सॉलिड एंगल।
हाँ ओके सर ओके।
सो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, हम लोग बोलेंगे रेडिएशन इंटेंसिटी। So what is radiation intensity? Actually the definition is radiation intensity is defined as the power per unit solid angle. Elaborately, radiation emitted from an antenna which is more intense in a particular direction indicates the maximum intensity of the antenna. The emission of radiation to a maximum possible extent is nothing but the radiation intensity. So this is the actual definition or elaboration of radiation intensity. And this is denoted by what? This is denoted by U equals to R square into W rad, where U is the what? Radiation intensity. R is the radial distance. And W rad. What is W rad? Is the power radiated. Okay, so this functional of the radial distance, this radial distance R. So functional of radial distance just a minute. Okay, for this session we have 4 minutes left because another session will be coming up. Same means you will connect with the same link, and we will after 5 minutes. Okay, so just 1 minute. Let us 1 minute just. What I told, the functional of the radial distance is indicated as what? Phi. Okay, and the unit is of the radiation intensity. What is the unit? Unit is watts per radian square. Watt per radian square. Okay. So hope you have understand the radiation intensity. Just a minute, I am stopping the share. Okay, so this is all the things of radiation and radiation intensity. We will talk about the other things also, but after this, in the next session. So in this session, I would want to tell you another thing that is very important. That is solid angle. What do you mean by solid angle? One has questioned. So let us describe a little bit about solid angle. We have just 2 minutes, so I think it will be not enough, but I will try to finish it in this. Solid angle, actually solid angle is a dimensional less thing, Actually, solid angle is a two-dimensional angle in a three-dimensional space. Very hard to understand. Please understand it. It is a two-dimensional angle in a three-dimensional space. Okay. So that is very high thinking. So it is a two-dimensional angle in a three-dimensional place. It is measured of how big something appears. This is called a solid angle. Just a minute, I am seeing you the solid angle. Just a minute. I think the time will be ended. 1 minute is there. So in the next class, we will see the solid angle. Please join in the same link after 5 minutes. Please, it is a request for everybody. Please join within the same link after 5 minutes. The break is for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, everybody must join in the same link.